Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update WhatsApp to the latest version in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I am on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you are on an Android or a computer as well. So basically there are two ways to update WhatsApp. The first way is to simply head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and then search for WhatsApp and then search for it and then tap on WhatsApp Messenger, and if it says open, it's already updated to the latest version, and if it says update, you can update by tapping on update. But if it says open, technically your WhatsApp is already updated to the latest version. But if you don't have access to the latest features, you can do one thing: you can force update the WhatsApp application. You can go to settings and then go to general. If you're on an Android, go to settings and go to app section and look for WhatsApp. Then tap on iPhone storage and then look for WhatsApp and tap on it. Now all you will have to do is to tap on offload app and then offload it, and after that you'll have to tap on reinstall it. If you're on an Android, you'll have to clear cache and then clear cache and then delete WhatsApp and then reinstall it. Basically what it will do, it will force update your WhatsApp application to the latest version, and you'll be able to get access to all the latest WhatsApp features. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.